What if the key to transforming your entire life has been within you all along, just waiting to be discovered? Today, you'll uncover that hidden power and learn how to use it to create lasting change. Hey, this isn't just another video. It's a step-by-step guide to deep healing and self-discovery, designed specifically for those ready to take control of their lives. Let's begin the journey to unlock the incredible strength already inside you. The first step to deep healing is creating the right environment. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. This is your time to connect with yourself, so make sure your surroundings are calm and peaceful. Dim the lights or light a candle if it helps set a serene mood. Let the environment reflect the tranquility you wish to bring into your mind and body. As you settle into your space, take a moment to tune into your breath. With each inhale, feel your body filling with fresh, healing energy. With each exhale, imagine letting go of any stress or tension you've been carrying. Allow your surroundings to support you, nurturing your journey of inner healing. This is the space where you will begin to release old wounds and make room for transformation. Healing begins from within, and it's essential to create an environment that fosters inner peace. By taking these first steps to center yourself, you are already aligning with the healing process. Now that you have created a safe space for healing, let's focus on your breath. This is a powerful tool to bring you into the present moment and calm the mind. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale slowly through your mouth, let go of any tension or distractions. Repeat this breathing pattern a few times, allowing your body and mind to relax with each breath. With each inhale, imagine that you are drawing in peace and serenity. With each exhale, picture yourself releasing negativity, stress, or anxiety. As you continue breathing, begin to notice how your body feels lighter and more at ease. This simple but effective practice is the foundation of your healing journey. Your breath is a bridge between your mind and body. It brings you into alignment with the present moment, allowing you to let go of the past and prepare your body to accept healing energy. One of the most powerful aspects of healing is the ability to release emotional blocks. These blocks may stem from past experiences, trauma, or limiting beliefs. They are stored within your body and mind, affecting your emotional well-being and physical health. In this part of the meditation, we will focus on releasing these blocks. Begin by bringing your awareness to any area of your body that feels tight or uncomfortable. This might be a physical sensation, or you might feel an emotional charge in a specific area. As you breathe deeply, visualize that part of your body filling with healing light. Imagine this light dissolving the pain, fear, or discomfort, transforming it into pure peace. Feel the energy moving through your body, slowly melting away any emotional residue. As the light expands, know that you are letting go of the past. You are no longer defined by old wounds or negative patterns. With every breath, you are creating space for new, positive energy to flow into your life. Allow yourself to feel lighter with each breath. Know that healing is not just about letting go of pain, it's about accepting the peace and vitality that is your birthright. Now that you've cleared some of the emotional blockages, it's time to affirm your self-worth. Healing is not only about releasing pain, it's about replacing it with love, compassion, and respect for yourself. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am deserving of all good things in life. I honor myself and my journey. I am whole, complete, and at peace. As you repeat these affirmations, feel their energy sinking into every cell of your body. Allow them to transform your thoughts, filling your mind with the truth of your worth. These affirmations are powerful tools to reshape your self-position and begin healing from within. As you continue with these affirmations, visualize yourself surrounded by a radiant light of love and acceptance. This light is your essence, and it shines brightly in the world. Let it fill you up, removing all doubts or insecurities. You are deserving of love, joy, and success. True healing comes when you accept forgiveness, first for yourself and then for others. Holding on to grudges, resentment, or guilt only keeps you stuck in the past. The act of forgiving is not about excusing the behavior of others. It's about freeing yourself from the emotional burden. In this part of the meditation, focus on forgiveness. Start by forgiving yourself for any mistakes, shortcomings, or regrets. See yourself releasing these burdens one by one with love and compassion. You are not your past mistakes. You are a growing, evolving individual who deserves peace. Next, bring to mind anyone who may have hurt you in the past. This could be someone close to you or even a distant memory. Visualize sending them love and light, freeing yourself from the weight of any resentment. Forgiveness is the gift you give to yourself. It is the key to unlocking your inner peace and healing. Allow the energy of forgiveness to fill your body. As you forgive, feel your heart open, your energy shift, and your mind clear. With every act of forgiveness, you are releasing old, painful memories and making space for healing and growth. As you move deeper into your meditation, it's time to connect with your inner power. You are not just a collection of past experiences. You are a powerful being with infinite potential. Close your eyes and imagine a glowing light within you at your heart center. This light represents your inner strength, resilience, and wisdom. With each breath, this light grows brighter and more vibrant. Feel its warmth and strength filling your entire being. Know that this power is always with you and it is waiting to be tapped into. Whenever you feel lost or uncertain, this inner power will guide you back to your center. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this inner power. It has carried you through difficult times, helped you learn and grow, and now it's here to support you on your healing journey. As you continue to connect with your inner power, feel yourself becoming more confident and empowered. You are strong, capable, and worthy of all the blessings life has to offer. Healing also involves shifting your mindset To truly heal, you must accept a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Begin by visualizing your life filled with abundance, love, success, joy, and peace. See yourself living a life that reflects the fullness and richness of the universe. Repeat to yourself, I am open to receiving all the abundance life has to offer. Allow yourself to feel deserving of all the good things that are on their way. By cultivating an abundance mindset, you align yourself with the energy of prosperity and success. As you continue breathing deeply, feel the energy of abundance expanding around you. Imagine that everything you desire is already on its way to you. You are worthy of receiving it. When you accept abundance, you create the conditions for greater opportunities and blessings to flow into your life. Resistance is often what holds us back from healing. Whether it's resistance to change, fear of the unknown, or a need to control outcomes, these patterns create blockages in our lives. And let's focus now on releasing that resistance. As you breathe deeply, imagine any resistance within you dissolving. See it melting away, leaving you with a sense of openness and flow. Allow yourself to trust the process and know that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. When you release resistance, you create space for greater ease and joy to enter your life. You stop fighting the current of life and begin to move with it. Let go of the need to control and trust that the universe will bring you exactly what you need at the right time. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the healing energy you've just activated. Know that the work you've done today has already begun to transform your life. Healing is a process, and each step you take brings you closer to your true, empowered self. Take this healing energy with you into your everyday life. Continue to nurture your mind, body, and spirit, knowing that you have the power to create the life you deserve. You are worthy of all the love, health, and success that life has to offer. True transformation begins when you recognize the power within yourself. By accepting these steps, you're not just healing, but reshaping your life in ways you never thought possible. Consistency and belief are the cornerstones of change. If this journey resonates with you, show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more insights. Together, let's continue unlocking the best version of you.